Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn ABCD and some numbers. Let's start. Dark green, purple, light green, pink, neon, grey, black and orange. Let's start. Pink color A for apple. Blue color B for butterfly. Orange color C for candy. Red color D for dog. Green color E for eggplant. F for fish. G for goat. H for home. I for ice cream. J for jug. It's now time to learn some number. 1 O-N-E 1. 2 T-W-O 2. 3 T-H-R-E-E 3. 4 F-O-U-R 4. 5 F-I-V-E 5. 6 S-I-X 6. 7 S-E-V-E-N 7. 8 E-I-G-H-T 8. 9 N-I-N-E 9. 10 T-E-N 10. A B C D E F G H I J 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. A B C D E F G H I J 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. A1 B2 C3 D4 E5 F6 G7 H8 I9 J10. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.